Hey everyone! If you want to play a private 1v1 match with your friend in CS2, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a private server, invite your friend, and start a 1v1 match. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Launch Counter-Strike 2. Click the Settings icon. Open the Game tab. Find Enable Developer Console. Set it to Yes. Now return to the main menu. Press the key to open the Developer Console. Type map followed by the map name you want to play. For example, mapta_does2. Then press Enter. Wait for the map to load. If bots join the server, open the console again. Type bot_kick. Then press Enter. Now we need to invite your friend. Open the console. Type status. Then press Enter. Copy the server IP address shown in the console. Send this IP address to your friend. Now ask your friend to open the developer console. Type connect followed by your server IP. For example, connect 192.168.1.100:27015. Then press Enter. Your friend will join your private server. Now you can use any server commands you want, such as changing the round time, money, or restarting the match, and enjoy your 1v1 game together. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.